everyone, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, welcome. And I'm going to ask you to subscribe now and leave a comment below. I subscribe so I could personally thank you for joining my YouTube family. So today we are talking bunny. We are doing an Easter bunny haul. I'm going to show you some things that I bought for Robbie, and then we're going to do just an Easter haul of some of the new stuff that I bought to decorate my house for this Easter season. So sit back, relax, and let the bunny talk. Okay, everyone, so my first goodie of this Easter haul are my tissue paper flowers that I made. I made these by hand. I bought the kit on Amazon, but it's interesting. Okay, they come like this with horrible directions. So I'm going to show you in a couple minutes how I made these so it's much easier for you, because it literally took me like an hour to figure it out. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of obsessed with them. Like, kind of want to put one in my hair. I just might. Look how gorgeous. So I love my little flowers, and they come in all different sizes, all different colors. Look at this one. Beautiful. So you get the kit on Amazon, and I'm going to show you now how I made them. Now, I thought the Amazon kit, I don't know, it's just a bag of stuff with like 4 directions, came with double-sided tape, but it didn't. So this is the double-sided tape that I recommend, because it doesn't peel off your paint on the walls. So that's good. We don't want that to happen. I'm not hanging them, I'm taping them to the wall. So this is how I do it. I found it very easy. Now you're probably thinking, oh, like you need tape and glue. You don't need anything. You don't need no tape, no glue to make these. The first thing I do is open them up like this, okay? And now I take the middles out, which is like the yellow. And it's okay if it rips. I actually prefer it to rip a little bit like that, because then it kind of looks full. You want the flower in the middle to look full. And you do that by ripping the tissue paper in the middle. So we did one side. Do you see how by doing that, this side stays out? That's what you want. Okay? Now we're doing this side. Okay, so after you're done with that, these are 2 layers of colors. I separate the 2 layers. You might not have 2 layers. Some of them just have 1 layer, and that's okay too. But this particular one does. So I separate the 2 layers of colors. Then I do the bottom. Start with the green, or your dot, or whatever color is on the bottom layer. And you kind of just pull it apart. And you flip it. And when I was reading the directions, I had glue, I had tape. I thought I needed everything, but you don't need nothing. Okay, next is the paint. And then you can poof it. A little poof poof here and a little poof poof there. See? And then you just kind of form it to create the flower. Do you see how I did that? There's no tape, there's no glue, there's no nothing. Look. You just take it out and poof, that's all it is. I'm surrounded in flowers! Okay, everyone, I want to know, what color is your favorite flower? Leave a comment below. My husband and my sister, they've been going out and buying me all these little Easter decorations. They all know what I like, and you know, there's FaceTime, and I tell them to pick up stuff because I'm pregnant, I live in New York, and I still don't feel safe going to the stores. So I got little buddies to help me out. Look how cute these soaps are! $1. Adorable. So this will go right by my kitchen sink. I did buy, well, they bought me some stuff to put in the Easter garland, and you'll probably see that in a couple weeks. So, bunny chick. I got an Easter basket. I love these carrot sticks. I don't know where I'm gonna put them yet though, but I love them. They're so cute. So, love that. Look at these little bunnies. Love the bunny sticks. Had to have them in every color. Rob goes, what colors do you want? Every one. Thank you, Rob. And look at these Easter egg ornaments. Oh, I love them. Best part is they're $1. Right up my alley. So this stuff is going to go in the garland. And next, we're going over to TJ Maxx. Look at this soft bunny blanket, $16.99. I loved it because it reminds me of my husband. Look with the glasses and the bow tie. This reminds me of Rob. Hi, Rob. Okay, now this mug is a serious mug. Look at it, it's a topper to keep your coffee or hot cocoa warm or tea. I just love it. $7.99 TJ Maxx. I just love that mug. I can't wait to drink out of it. Definitely doing that. Now this is adorable. Okay, so let me tell you what this is. This is a caramel popcorn bunny. There's popcorn in here. How adorable is that? I think I'll put this out when we're coloring Easter eggs this year. A little popcorn bunny yummy treat. Okay, look how cute these are. So this was $7.99, this was $9.99. Mr. and Mrs. Bunny. I just had to have her look at the fur. Woo, fabulous. It's so cute. So Mr. and Mrs. Bunny will be stopping by. Then I have this bunny nutcracker, $12.99. Then I have this beautiful bunny ladle, because I make a lot of food at Easter. For when we do desserts, we have our coffee mugs. Look how cute. Little bunny, this was $4.99. Okay, so this was the dollar store and the little TJ Maxx. And now I'm gonna show you stuff I bought for Robbie for Easter from the Easter Bunny. Okay, so I know I went overboard, but I purposely did it because it's Robbie's last holiday of just him, because this little babe, she's coming out and he's not gonna be the only child anymore. So I might have went a little overboard, but I gotta be honest with you though, it's actually not too bad because a lot of the stuff is swimsuits and gear for the pool. Also pajamas, books, arts and crafts. Some of it is toys, some of it is plushies because my son loves plushies, especially Winnie the Pooh. So let's get started. Now, I tell Robbie for the Easter Bunny is different than Santa Claus. I tell him that the Easter Bunny brings clothes and that the Easter Bunny brings pajamas and stuff for the pool. He brings arts and crafts and books. And the reason why I'm emphasizing that is because no matter what Robbie gets in life, whether somebody gives him an outfit or somebody gives him a toy, I want him to be excited to receive whatever he's going to receive. Because what I do, I pretend the Easter Bunny just leaves stuff all over the place as he's hopping, and I just leave like a basket of goodies over here, a basket of goodies over here. So when he comes downstairs, like my whole kitchen is just covered with stuff, my living room. So I spread this out all over the place. I just don't do like a lump of things when he comes down. And I also put the Easter Bunny prints, but Amazon, because of the snowstorm, you disappointed me. So there are some stuff that I'm missing, but you know, what are you gonna do? I mean, there's snow and people's lives obviously come first. I really wanted the rest of my stuff for my haul, but sorry guys, it's stuck on the Amazon truck. Moving on. So I'm going to tell you about the stuff I got from the Disney store first, because we love Disney. I can't wait to go back. Okay, so these little things, these are brand new. They are called Nuimos. I'm hoping I say that right. But Robbie loves Donald Duck, and like you dress them. How cute. It's like the little Duffy bear, but only characters. And what I like about these little dudes, like they move. The arms and legs move, so they're like little wires. So he's definitely going probably in one of these big eggs. So look, I got one of these big eggs. I actually found them at the dollar store. Oh yeah, he's going in, right in. That's really cute. And I'll put his outfit in here too. So that'll be something Robbie will open as he's doing his Easter egg hunt. So I'm probably gonna do like a Spider-Man pile basket thing. I don't know how I'm doing it yet. So, you know, Robbie's getting older, so that's why I need to get him clothes. Every mom knows, every season your child needs new clothes because they grow. This is actually a canteen, a Spider-Man canteen. So cute, right? Perfect for the outside. Bubble maker. Robbie loves bubbles, especially in the spring when the weather gets nice. Pajamas, short sleeves. I love this. This is a swimsuit, top, bottom. Look at this, it has the Spider-Man head. He loves that. And of course I had to get him the sunglasses because my son has to match. What are you gonna do? And look at this towel. This is a 3D Spider-Man towel. It's really cool. He'll love it. He loves Spider-Man. That's his favorite superhero. Okay, but he's also telling me, Mommy, I still love Toy Story too. So Mommy got you some Toy Story. So look, Toy Story swimsuit. I always do top and bottoms for Robbie. Robbie has sensitive skin. I can't just do the bottoms. I do top and bottoms. I don't want my baby to burn. And of course I had to get him the matching Toy Story towel. I love everything to match and I love sets. Lightning McQueen short sleeve. And I got him some Mickey Mouse short sleeve PJs. So as I said, Robbie still loves Toy Story. So I got him these cars. These actually came from Walt Disney World. I got them off the Walt Disney World website. He's into cars now. Lightning McQueen. Okay, next is the new Winnie the Pooh collection from the Disney store. And shh, don't tell. I bought one of these for myself too. So me and Robbie have matching Winnie the Poohs. I mean, it is what it is. I love Winnie the Pooh. There's no hiding it. So look how beautiful. Okay, Kanga. Robbie's gonna lose his mind. He actually saw these because we're always looking up Disney stuff. He actually saw these like, Mommy, I want them. Tell the Easter Bunny. I'm like, sure. So this is Peter Rabbit. Robbie loves Peter Rabbit. And I found this in TJ Maxx, actually. Well, I should say my husband did. I found on Amazon. Now these are 3D dinosaurs, okay? That are already stuffed in eggs. So they're pre-stuffed. And I love these because they're so cool. I really don't want to break a nail showing you guys this. I don't want my nails to break. Ah, here you go. Like a little T-Rex. So cute, right? So these are good for Easter egg hunts. So if you have a boy, get him these because they're easy, they're cute, and they're all different dinosaurs that are in there. So that's nice. So they're constantly getting like new toys. It's just not like all of one. No, there's like 12 different toys in here. So this is good. Amazon. These are just Easter eggs for fillers. Got this at the Dollar Tree. Have no clue what I'm putting in there yet. I'll figure it out. Okay, now these are really cool. These are the same thing. These are pre-filled toy set eggs. I got these on Amazon. And these are like trucks, but they're animal trucks. So they're all different kind of animals, and they also have like dinosaur heads on them too. So I thought this was great because we're gonna, you know, we do Easter egg hunts like everybody else does. So we'll definitely do that. Now, I'm showing you all stuff for a boy, but I know for a fact that Amazon has these for little girls too. They actually have like little unicorns in there. They have little dolls. So if you have a little girl at home, you could absolutely go and get this for her as well. This is an Easter bunny game. And it's so cute. It comes with like an Easter plush bunny. And it's a game. I don't really want to open it because I just think it's adorable, but Robbie loves bunnies. So he will be all about this new bunny game. Now this, I'm actually gonna give it to him before Easter. It's an egg painter. It's an egg spinner. So he could color the eggs and the egg will like spin in this thing and he'll get like the whole side. So when we do our Easter egg night, I'm gonna give this to him. These are just Easter eggs. We all know who's in here, Donald, that I'm stuffing. And look, I had these made on Etsy. Cute, right? They say his name on them, and I'm going to put little goodies in them. Again, no candy because Robbie doesn't like candy, so I don't know. My husband went to the store and he thought Robbie would like this. So, an alien Target thing, I have no idea, but it's a boy, so he thought he would like it. I just like this little Easter basket because this will be one of the baskets, and I don't know if there's like dinosaurs I bought. Look at these things. This I got at Dollar Tree. And look, this little arts and crafts Woody. I thought that was cute. My son likes Snoopy. Now this I had made on Etsy, the same lady that made me my eggs. Robbie wanted a green Easter bunny this year. I don't know, he just came up with a green bunny. So TJ Maxx, it's for the beach. I always like to buy him things for the outside. Pre-filled Marvel and Mickey Mouse arts and crafts. There's crayons and markers in here, and there is some coloring books too. So this is really good for the Easter egg hunt too. So these are the last part of the clothes that I want to talk about. I do have stuff still coming on Amazon, like I have swimmies for Robbie that I give to him from the bunny too. I have a couple of other bathing suits, but they just didn't come. Goggles, but it didn't come yet. So this set we got at TJ Maxx. I should say Rob. Dinosaurs, really cute, $6.99. These are sharks. This is just a champion outfit. These are Robbie's pajamas for Easter morning. And I had them made on Etsy. Again, if you want to know where I purchased them, follow me at Opera Mama G. DM me, I'll be more than happy to tell you. So these are his pajamas for Easter morning. And this is his Easter bunny shirt that he's going to wear when our family comes to do our egg coloring night. So my final and most favorite item that I purchased for Robbie is, I had this handmade with a wonderful lady from Le Bear Boutique on Instagram. She doesn't have an Etsy site, so you would have to DM her if you're interested. But look how beautiful this coat came out. Layla, thank you so much. Robbie's gonna love his jacket, and I'm so excited. Yay! Thank you, Layla. Here comes Peter Cottontail, up and down the bunny trail. Actually, that's next week's video, because next week we are getting ready for the Easter bunny. We are decorating my house for Easter. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you remember that I'm on, so that you could see how I decorate my house for Easter next week. Thank you so much for tuning in today, everybody, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.